Welcome to Lesson 1 of Microsoft Excel 2010. In this lesson, we will take a look at the basics of spreadsheets. Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet application. A spreadsheet is a grid of data divided into numbered rows and lettered columns. Numbered rows, row 1, row 2, row 3, and lettered columns, column A, column B, and column C. Each block of data in this grid is called a cell, and it can hold an individual piece of data or text. A cell has a lettered column, column B, and a numbered row, which is called the cell address. So this active cell, its address is B3, column B, row 3. This active cell, its address is called A1, column A, row 1. The active cell address is located in the name box of the ribbon. That's the name box. Each cell can store three types of data. One, it can store a label, which is a string or a text. Two, it can store a value or a number. Three, it can store a formula or a function. In addition to these three data types, it can also store dates or time. In Excel, a file or document is considered a spreadsheet, although it is commonly referred to as a workbook. The worksheet is a page of data in your spreadsheet or workbook. Your spreadsheet can contain as many worksheets as you want. However, by default, all newly opened Excel spreadsheets have three worksheets: Sheet 1, Sheet 2, and Sheet 3. To view the contents of a worksheet, simply click on its tab at the bottom left-hand corner of the Excel window. Sheet 1, Sheet 2, and Sheet 3. To create a new worksheet, click on the small button, which is called the Insert Worksheet button, to the right of the three worksheets. Let us quickly look at the Microsoft Excel interface. Right at the top of the Microsoft Excel interface is called the title bar. The title bar contains the file name. To the right of the file name is called the quick access toolbar. Below the title bar is called the ribbon. The ribbon consists of tabs which display different groups of commands in the ribbon. Below the ribbon is called the name box, which is the active cell address. And to the right of the name box is the formula bar showing contents of a selected cell. An active cell, for example C4 in this case, has a thick border around it. To the bottom right-hand corner of the active cell is a square, a filled-in square, which is basically called the drag or fill handle, which we will deal with in another lesson. In addition to an active cell, we can also choose a range of cells by clicking and dragging. In this case, we have clicked from cell C10 to cell E11. At the bottom left-hand corner of the interface is called your worksheet tabs, and below the worksheet tabs is the status bar. That is the end of lesson 1, the basics of spreadsheets.